Hello, my name is Colton with Aristatek, and today I'm going to show you how to use the help function in Tier2Submit to find chemical reporting information. There are many other topics, but the purpose of this video is to help you find your chemicals on the EHS list. First, click on the help topic in the top right-hand corner of the screen. A drop-down should appear. Click Open Tier2Submit Topics. A file should then open up in your browser like this. To search for chemical reporting data, go to Introduction. At the bottom of the page, select Reportable Chemicals. Then, under the second header called What are the reporting thresholds for each chemical, you can find the EPA's list of each EHS. Select this and it will take you to a large document where you can search for your chemicals. Here, you can press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard to search the page for your chemical name. You must have the correct name and spelling, though you do not need to spell out all of the name to find your chemical. Once there are few enough hits, indicated by yellow dashes on the scroll bar, hit Enter until you see your chemical. Reporting quantities and planning thresholds appear on the right side of the window, near the scroll bar. That's it for this video. Thank you, and have a nice day.